Air scooter refers to two distinct aircraft, each with its own unique history and purpose. The first air scooter was an American aircraft manufacturer headquartered in Henderson, Nevada. This company, established in the early 2000s, had ambitious plans to design and produce an ultralight helicopter featuring a coaxial rotor configuration. The leadership of Air Scooter included Elwood Woody Norris as the chairman of the board and James Jim Barnes as the secretary of the board. Unfortunately, by 2013, this company had ceased its operations and became defunct. The other air scooter is an exciting development in personal aviation, a vertical takeoff and landing flying machine created by Zapata Aeronautics. This remarkable aircraft complies with the Federal Aviation Administration's Part 103 regulations, allowing it to be flown without the need for a pilot's license within the United States, classifying it as an ultralight aircraft. The mb&f horological machine, Number 9 Sapphire Vision, HM9SV, pays homage to the streamlined designs of the 1950s. This timepiece is a captivating fusion of traditional watchmaking craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. The HM9SV boasts an intricate and elaborate construction, featuring a transparent sapphire crystal shield that grants the wearer a mesmerizing view into the inner mechanisms of the watch. The outer casing is gracefully curved and assembled with precision in 3 distinct sections, employing patented 3-dimensional gaskets and a state-of-the-art bonding process, ensuring both durability and water resistance. Powering the HM9SV is a movement derived from the Valjoux 7751, a Swiss automatic chronograph movement. However, mb&f has taken extensive measures to modify it, imbuing it with a contemporary and streamlined aesthetic. Furthermore, the movement has been skillfully skeletonized, affording the wearer a glimpse into its intricate internal workings. Introducing the Superbase Vi, a cutting-edge home energy storage system powered by semi-solid-state batteries. This innovative system boasts a 6 kilowatt-hour capacity, capable of delivering up to 3,800 watts of AC power. Moreover, its capacity can be expanded to 9.2 kilowatt-hours by simply connecting 2 units together. Designed with homeowners in mind, the Superbase V is a hassle-free, plug-and-play solution that can be effortlessly installed. It comes equipped with a range of features, including a built-in inverter, battery management system, and the ability to harness solar energy for recharging. The semi-solid-state batteries employed in this system offer a significant advantage over traditional lithium-ion batteries, offering a higher energy density, allowing for more energy storage within a smaller footprint. Additionally, these batteries exhibit an impressive longevity, with Zinger claiming they can endure for up to a decade. Installation is a breeze with the Superbase V, as it seamlessly connects to standard 120 volts or 240 volts outlets, complete with all necessary cables and adapters for your convenience. Introducing the Mark Wheel Basalt, an all-terrain electric bicycle boasting robust features. This formidable ride is propelled by a potent 500-watt motor and fueled by a 48-volt, 941-watt-hour battery, offering an impressive range spanning from 60 to 80 miles. With a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour in pedal assist mode and 31 miles per hour in throttle mode, the Mark Wheel Basalt is classified as a Class 2E electric bicycle in most U.S. states. It's worth noting that e-bike regulations can vary among states, so it's advisable to verify local laws before embarking on your Basalt adventure. The Basalt is tailor-made for off-road enthusiasts, equipped with features such as 26-inch by 4-inch tires, a front suspension fork, and hydraulic disc brakes to tackle rugged terrains with ease. What's more, it boasts a built-in power station, ideal for charging devices like smartphones and laptops while you're on the go. In summary, the Mark Wheel Basalt is a versatile and powerful e-bike, ideally suited for riders eager to explore the great outdoors. Its rugged design makes it well-equipped for off-road adventures, yet it remains equally capable on paved roads. Introducing FocusCalm, an innovative brain training headband harnessing the power of EEG technology to monitor brain activity. Coupled with a diverse array of games, exercises, and meditative practices, it's designed to enhance your ability to concentrate and attain mental relaxation. Worn snugly on your forehead and temples, the Focus Calm headband is equipped with sensors adept at capturing electrical signals from your brain. These signals are then transmitted to a smartphone app, which interprets the data and offers real-time insights into your cognitive progress. The Focus Calm score serves as a quantitative measure of your brain activity, presented on a scale ranging from 0 to 100, where 100 signifies the pinnacle of serenity and concentration. The higher your Focus Calm score, the greater your proficiency in managing your brain activity and achieving a state of unwavering focus and tranquility. Meet My Cat, a socially assistive AI robot designed to streamline smart home monitoring, safeguard your privacy, and enhance your well-being. This remarkable creation is the brainchild of MacroAct Incorporated, a prominent South Korean robotics company. My Cat utilizes its integrated camera and sensors to keenly detect motion, sound, and any environmental changes. Should it discern something unusual, it promptly sends an alert, ensuring you stay informed and secure. But My Cat's capabilities extend beyond surveillance. It can seamlessly manage your smart home devices, from lights to thermostats and locks, offering unparalleled convenience. This AI companion proves invaluable, especially for individuals living independently or those with limited mobility. With expressive eyes and a built-in speaker, My Cat engages with you and can even partake in interactive games. Moreover, it doubles as a reliable reminder system, assisting you in keeping track of medication schedules and vital appointments. The Fisker Ronin, an upcoming all-electric Super GT convertible by Fisker Incorporated, made its grand debut on August 3, 2023, at the Fisker Product Vision Day event. Anticipated to offer an astounding range exceeding 600 miles on a single charge, this electric marvel is poised to generate over 1,000 horsepower. With acceleration capabilities from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2 seconds, the Ronin is set to redefine speed and performance. Designed to accommodate 5 passengers, this Super GT convertible boasts a convenient folding hardtop roof. Its construction is built upon an aluminum space frame, complemented by a lightweight carbon fiber body. Remarkably, only 999 units of the Ronin will roll off the production line, each bearing a price tag of $385,000. Production is slated to commence in the latter half of 2025, eagerly awaited by automotive enthusiasts. The name Ronin pays tribute to the 1969 film of the same title, featuring the legendary actor Alan Ladd. The film's storyline revolves around a group of skilled assassins entrusted with safeguarding a valuable cargo, lending a touch of cinematic mystique to this exceptional vehicle.